Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Strava. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Strava app and you will click here in this window. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.